Spring Java Format is an opinionated code formatting tool from the Spring team. I'm going to show you how to set up the Gradle plugin for Spring Java Format as well as the IntelliJ plugin. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the snippet from the Gradle section of the GitHub page. And so we'll edit our build script here. You have to add the build script block first, followed by the plugins block, followed by the apply plugin here. And then we'll just re-import the Gradle project. Next, we'll download the IntelliJ plugin. So if we just search IntelliJ, you can download the latest version from here. So download the jar file. I've already done that, so I'll just skip back to IntelliJ, open up Preferences, and under Plugins, you just have to go to Install Plugin from Disk and select that jar file that we just downloaded. And at this point, in order to know that the IntelliJ plugin is working, you should see a little spring icon down here in the tray. And since we don't see that, it means it's not working correctly. So usually you have to re-import the Gradle project in order for it to be picked up. And so you'll see after we've done that, we see the little spring leaf icon down here. So the first thing I'll show you is if you run a Gradle build without doing anything, it will actually fail. And so if we look at the failure, it's failed on the check format main task and is saying there are formatting violations in these files. So if you don't run formatting, the project won't even build. So if we run a Gradle format, that will format all the files in the project. So if we refresh our version control here, we'll see it modified most of the files. And so if we look at this file, you'll see it applied the standard Spring formatting here. So at this point, if we build again, it will pass. And finally, to demonstrate the IntelliJ plugin, if we revert some of these changes and then run IntelliJ's reformat code, you'll see it applies that Spring formatting again.